Yes, sir. Yeah, you don't know, so from here, the baddest instrumental upon radio, you know, so this is one of the baddest show them upon radio. I'm only say one of the baddest because you don't know the rest of the bad show them dep on the Bridge 99 FM. This is the streets, according to me, your boy Shelz. How you guys doing? Hope everybody alright and thing. Speaking of the bad instrument, I might forget this clear. On the latest outside broadcast I did up at Hypro Ace Super Center, one of the biggest, big up Hypro Ace team over there at the YMR location. But just realize say that song, somebody sang, you know, whenever they know so that instrumental belong to somebody hurt. When I go around him, hurt, me they look at Afrobeat thing. Sajay where I forgot talk. But anyways, people if you hear this anywhere else, you know, say just think about the streets according to your boy Shelz. No matter what you hear. You understand me? If you hear it, a Grammys. Hint, you see me? But anyways, people, you don't know, as always, we have lots to discuss. Real issues, real conversation. Of course, you don't know with some real people. Remember, you know, Bridge Nation. You can also be a part of the conversation by reaching out to me on all social media platforms. I lie, I'm not on all social media platforms. I try to sound like my hype, but I'm not hype. Reach out to the Bridge 99 FM on all social media platforms. Use the hashtag Shelz Street. You see me? And if you want to slide talk to me, just write anything you want me talking in the streets, any topic you want me talk about, you see me? You can reach on the Bridge 99 FM. Reach me on the Bridge 99 FM. And if you feel shy and don't want to talk to Bridge, you can reach me on Instagram at everything_Shelly. People are writing every THING. I know say no proper, I know say I have no foreign listeners, but a TING. You understand me? Use up the patois, you see me? So it's everything_Shelly on Instagram. Also remember, you know, you can be a part of, you can be a bridge builder. You understand? What is a bridge builder? I don't know if you don't say you don't want a product on a service on a business reach the world. You understand what I say? Because I don't know normal way I do, you know, we bring visual radio to the world. You understand what I say? So if you want to be a part of that, you can reach our sales department at 876-669-5000. That's 876-669-5000. I'm not for telling so you can't call no. You understand me? I say wait till the morning, bright and early, and you reach out. You see me? And the team ready and willing for helping out. You understand what I say? Now, you don't know, say a part of the first segment with this whole monologue, we're going to do this thing called Trending Topics. It's been a vibe, a lot of things happen. And the first thing I'm going to say, I feel like I can't believe it. Well, this affair trend, especially around the holiday season. JPS. Well, go on, JPS. We talked about them on the last show. I'm kind of nervous so we have all them little lights on at the moment behind me, but well, yeah, JPS and the high bills, increasing bills, you know. As I said on the last show, it caused a lot of, you know, less Christmas, like people nervous to put a Christmas tree and them things. It look away. But, you know, I guess JPS said them have a good reason for it. You see me? People in the streets I say, yo, JPS needs some competition because them can just raise price and do anything they want at will. But it look away still. You don't know, especially during the little pandemic thing. A lot of people still try to get on them feet certain way, and then you just see them bill just reach a certain way. You know what I mean? Big up the people them with AC still. I'm not bad minding again like one time. I tell you the truth. Next thing on the list, you know. Oh, hold on. I have to talk about something real quickly. Speaking of high bills, before we forward on the show today, you know, I met up with a good friend of mine. He's our Earth Strong today. Shout out to Danielle Renee, enough love. While I was waiting for her, you don't know, I'm say, I'm hold a one drink. You see me? I say, hold a one drink. A nice little restaurant. You see me? I can't tell you, if you know Shelz person, you know what me drink. You understand what I'm saying? I can't say it yet until Abby can tell me so they might sponsor the show. But until then, I hold a one drink. 2 glass. Kevin, I want to tell you the truth, brother. You saw the bartender look for me and say 1,100 for your 2 little glass. The inner garrison, you know me, nearly ball out to the people fancy and what? Is it 1,100? People, reason I feel that way now because you don't know, say 6 to 8 bills can get you a floss. You see me? 300 to 350 can get a decent chaser. And you can get 4 or 5 drink. Sorry, I have to vent that. But people, remember also for the holiday season, just drink responsibly. You see me? Don't listen to my venting and just, you see me? Just also listen to the facts. I'm more encouraging for drink responsibly. You see me? I want to stay safe in the streets. If you're not going to be like the regular young people, they might get lit. You see me? Just make sure you're stay safe. Have a designated driver and just make sure you're stay safe. See me? But we kind of hurt about that. So I have to say about that. But not the restaurants, you know, but sorry, you can't trick me. I always just buy my floss. And ease on the ends of the G's then. But anyways, next thing on the trending topic, Massacre's album. Alright then, 438. I'm not going like I don't know what I'm going. First and foremost, I'm very, very surprised. Not by the quality of the album, because Massacre a big lyricist from long time. For those who just run on the bandwagon and you know and just catch what going, they know the thing go. Yo, people may I say it, I say yo, the album debuted at number 2 Why? I know Massacre no 2 want to say that. But at the second, in second, on the Billboard reggae album charts, one place below, of course, we know who. Bob Marley. That man that did it on the charts from since him gone. Like a long time Bob on the chart. But yeah, big up Massacre, big up 438, big up all of the people that want to support the project and thing. Honestly, Bridge Nation, I haven't listened to the album yet. I need to get into the vibes of listening to albums like one time. I only catch Peace tune, one tune, this tune. I really like that tune though him do with Steph London. Type of vibes. I like that tune there. Or the next one named Suicide Note is have a vibes. Which other tune I see from it? That tune the love story there. Oi. Hope no man have to play that over at Christmas still. But yeah, big up Massacre, big up the 438 album. If you haven't heard it yet, people, of course it's up on all streaming platforms, so just check out that, you see me? Quick thing though. I wanna know, a quick story man with Massacre. Why this not sound right? A quick experience. I went to pre-university and he went to pre-U as well. You understand what I mean? So I tell you, every day that man they used to be under a tree, just a freestyle, and enough people used to look by him and just walk and say, watch him and waste time. You are waste time. Zane. Anyways, people, I'm also not get excited about the next party. So last show, I was very surprised that this even worked out on the last show. I'm telling you the truth. People, tonight we are doing another giveaway though. We are doing another giveaway. People, Bridge Nation, it is the season of joy and gift giving. And this Christmas we will be spreading our Christmas cheer with you, our listeners and viewers, with our gift a day giveaway. Now remember, people want to understand, listen clearly. So tonight's gift giveaway is brought to you by Hilo Food Stores. And hear what them say how them all about making life better. Now in all of my years of collecting freeness and winning surprises, nothing no sweeter than when you hear supermarket I give away something, especially a nice big supermarket like Hilo. You understand what I say? So now listen clearly. Alright? Remember, this is coming to you from Hilo Food Stores. So listen, like how the music just dropped to you, think it's serious. Now, here's your chance to win. Just answer this question. And ready? What is the name of the Christmas flower? Let me say that again. What is the name of the Christmas flower? Now, I mean the flower was growing in your mother's garden. I not talk this thing when a shell for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The Christmas flower. What is the name of the Christmas flower? Now, you can call me throughout the show for your chance to win. Just call this number 876-676-4996. That's 876-676-4996. I remember, people, this is the Bridge 99 Christmas giveaway. Enough niceness ago, and I'm very honored that people actually want to collect prizes from my show. Never think that did possible. But yes, people, I got to show to a quick commercial break still, isn't me? Because I don't know, so I have enough chattings for them. I have to introduce them to the topic, but I had to get the business out the way. The show I get look popular now. People want sponsor and, you know on the go. You know it go. So people, stay tuned. This is The Streets according to me, your boy Shelz, Soul 13.
Boom bam! Hey yo, you don't know it's the Bridge 99 FM. Keep it locked, dirty.
Yes, sir. You don't know, say from here the baddest instrumental, which is my instrumental. You know that this is The Streets according to me, your boy Shelz. You don't know, say you don't miss nothing yet when I get into the monologue yet, when I introduce the topic yet. We have to take care of business in a little part there in the first segment there. So somebody just messaged me on my phone and asked me, yo, them bright too. But yo, oh may I work with Bridge and I thought about like 1,100 bill. Let me tell you this something. Let me tell you this. Not because you see me things are going good with the Bridge. Means so we're going to forget where we come from. You understand what I mean? Say where we're forward from. You understand? That's what the Bridge is about. You understand what I mean? Say we remind the diaspora when they live them nice life overseas. Say, yo, we're reminding how things stay out here. I'm not going to left that. So yes, I'm still going to cost about like 1,100 bill. Don't get bright. Come on now. Anyways, tonight's discussion, ladies and gents of the Bridge Nation. Tonight, we are going to be looking at stages in a relationship. Streets love when we talk about relationships clearly. Stages in a relationship, and when it is right, especially around this time of year, when it is right to invite your partner to dinner. But not just any dinner in a Bridge Nation. As I say, it's around this time of the year. I talk about the Christmas dinner. Very important thing. So here's my views, right? Listen. Bridge Nation, I have to take a deep breath. You understand what I mean? Because I try to be logical here. Christmas dinner is a very important thing for me, and my family. You see, because for me it combines two of my favorite things: my family and Christmas dinner. It's really that simple. You understand what I'm saying? So once I consider a girl to be in the mix, for putting at the mix of all that obviously means it's serious. Now, just think about it. You see me, my family have to cook extra food for you. And even if it's a case where your family can't afford to cook extra food, me probably short piece of fowl for you. You understand what I'm saying? So obviously it's serious, Bridge Nation, right? So I have to start off on that note. Now, right off the bat, I want to also understand, for me personally, I believe that it is very important that, my family meet the girl that I am focusing on. You understand what I'm saying? Especially when you reach a stage in the relationship where, narrow the focus. For the G's I'm in the streets, and you know what I mean, you start narrow the focus. But let me explain. I believe, as I say, at some point, my family have to meet the woman I'm interested in. I'm serious about. Now listen to my fellow gentlemen out there who are look for leave the streets at some point. Yeah. When I say serious, I mean building with this person. You understand what I'm saying? I talk a serious relationship. No Titanic settings. You understand what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? As a matter of fact, speaking of Titanic, I love digress, you see. Say if Jack did survive Titanic, that relationship they would have lost. Even really sit down and think about it. Like that little one night thing that little and slap the glass and white. That not trick nobody. Jack see the rake and say, or even she see the rake. And not even give him space on the piece of board. But anyways, I digress. But yeah, the trick is in a Bridge Nation. You see, for me though, the trick for me, Bridge Nation, is finding when is the right time. What stage of the relationship is the right time to invite her to the Christmas dinner, man? This is the big dinner, You understand what I'm saying? So, because the reality of the situation is, I could get caught up with the lust and just want this girl to be around my family just for show off to my cousin them. I show off to my uncle them, so make them feel old, make them sister the young boy ever. You know what I mean? But well, yeah, so timing is everything. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think once you've decided to let go of your other choices, gentlemen, your backups, you see me, I'm going to say earlier, narrow the focus. I think that is the time where, say, all right, at time, things I get serious, make me start, slowly introduce her to the family. So that's what I try to say. So for me, Bridge Nation, don't make the Christmas dinner. If you say you're serious about the girl, don't make our ladies of the Bridge Nation. If you say you're serious about the guy, don't wait till Christmas dinner for those kind of, just throw the energy upon your family. Cause you can't throw them off. Just kind of wait, team. If you say you're serious, as the G them in the streets and you know it go. If you say, yo, hey, Sheila, Keisha, them girl and I interested like one time, it's all about her. You start slowly introduce her to the family. Just kind of, every one or 2 months, she pass through the house and you introduce her. You say, mommy, this is she. And, our ladies, you say, mommy, this is him. And, you know what I mean? But yeah, so that's what I think. That is how you should go about it. You understand me? Now, listen, Bridge Nation, I want to understand this very carefully. You understand me? And I don't know how many guys out there agree with me. But if you're blessed to have your mother in your life still, ladies, more understand. See, my mother at the final level, my mother at the boss level. You understand what I mean? Say you can't get past everybody else in my life, but it's my mother. I think it's very important for my mother to meet my partner, as I said, before Christmas dinner. Because as I say, anything can go wrong. Like, but the girl can come, but the girl I'm interested in can come and she left all her plate careless. And then all of a sudden my mother just get ticked off and say, yo, Sheldon take up lazy nasty girl, and I hate that. It don't feel. So it's better with us, as we say, take your time. Yeah. You see me? But in conclusion, Christmas for me is all about family, Bridge Nation. The sharing of family traditions and just enjoying the unity. So bringing someone who is a stranger into the mix, it can be tricky. Bringing somebody who's a stranger into the mix can be tricky unless in the mix the sorrel strong. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Maybe it can loosen up the vibes. However, that's what I'm saying. I think with most relationships nowadays, I think, whether it be friendships or you're dating, husband and wife settings, etc., you don't need a whole lot of time to prove if someone is meant for you or if the person is genuine. Because I don't know thing nowadays, you can meet somebody yesterday who have better intentions for you than somebody you know for decades. You understand what I'm saying? So just communicate with your partner. I think it comes down to communication. Communicate with your partner. Let them know the value, how you value the relationship with them. So much to the point where you want them come full up them belly at Christmas dinner. And then you also make sure you communicate with your family. Communicate with your family, make them know. So, throughout the year, there's this person who will catch your attention. There's this person who is helping your family make you happy. And me know say if my mother, my family, when my parents hear me bring up a girl a certain way, them know say, hey, it's serious. So people just take the time. Just take the time to get to know the person. You see me? And then when you see things that get serious, then you slowly just trickle in and you get the vibes going, right? So like I said, I have nothing against people bringing their partners to Christmas dinner, but make sure the right person, because that sharing a food thing then you bring around your mother and your family and them thing there, and then all of a sudden next year them not there again. It don't look good. It don't look good. So yeah, that's the reasoning tonight, people. We're talking about the different stages of relationships, and we all wonder how long you have to wait before you make your partner for their Christmas dinner. Do I have any guests on the phone? Do I have any guests in the building who are forward in for come surprise me? Yes, I have a special guest. Oh, that.
It's to be jolly, you know what I mean?
All right, so ladies and gents of the Bridge Nation. So this gentleman is going to speak very quickly,
Yes, what was Shelz? Yo, listen to man.
Let me introduce the first one, brother. You see, so you don't jump the gun. People, this is the brilliant Romy and Simpson. We call him around here Romy. What going, bro?
I'm there, bro. Right now.
Yeah.
This feel like an international moment. You know?
Feel like an international, but yo.
Like a VIP moment, car. You come up on TV.
Yeah.
Come and get a joke.
What?
Me now I take over your interview, sir.
Yeah, no.
One time, I'm up on the grams, I scroll and thing, you know what I mean?
Yeah, scroll up on Instagram, right?
Yeah, man. And then I'm gonna look. There's one TV on the ground. You know them big back TV there.
Right.
Yeah, granny to watch.
You right?
Them tough TV there.
All right.
Me see a guy stand up on TV and say, yo, I told the guys one day I would be on TV.
Who that guy there?
I'm not gonna name, man.
Well, yes, ladies and gents, that's the general himself, Romy. And I heard that on the phone lines of another brethren of mine, Joel Bryan, we call him Joe Fry on the ends, but professionally speaking as a producer, a J-Wave you go by now, bro. I want to make sure we get it right for the airwaves, you know. A J-Wave it there? Him there? Fry egg. Joe Fry. Oh, him the shy, him get nervous. Cold feet. Him in the studio still, you know, so I don't know. I not hear him. But we'll continue the conversation until we can't hear him, bro. But, Romy,
Yes, sir.
you hear the reasoning. Hold on, man. You like him still there, but Joe Fry. Joel. Oh! I don't say in the studio. I don't say in the studio. You have to take off the headphone, brother.
Yeah, you want to know, so I mute the phone and even realize from.
Oh, no, brother. No. We don't know what's not say a word. But yes, ladies. But they want to get your name correct. Come here, big up on the bridge, you know. You don't know it go. Joel is my good friend. I call him Joe Fry up on the ends. But professionally speaking, as a producer of music, I want to get your correct name. Because you're a creative person. You always a change of it. A J-Wave it there now, bro.
Yeah, man, J-Wave. I'm going to think I'm going to change it from there.
Which is right. And Project Wave still left on the vibes, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so that's J-Wave of Project Wave. People, you don't know. Big up Shadrach. One umbrella. You know what I mean? So, Joe Fry, Romy, my two brothers, and this is how I go on. Romy, I got to ask you first. Hold the headphone, my brother. And go on, so I go on. The reasoning tonight, I'm like say a gentleman around the car right now, and up on the bridge right now with me. Romy, you hear what I go on, you know? The question tonight is, how long should you wait? First of all, how important is Christmas dinner to you? Because maybe me different. How important Christmas dinner is to you?
You ever did what I think what they call VIP?
Yeah.
Very, very important.
Yeah. That's
important.
Christmas dinner.
Yeah, man.
So when you
belly full something there.
belly full and family.
Good food, enough meat.
Why?
Get together in.
No, alright, but hold on. So it's very important to you, Romy. So
Yes.
how long before you have a woman and I don't know if you load up, because I don't know if you have girl in a bungle and them things. But how long before how long before you wait for bring a partner to the Christmas dinner? You wait till you just like her right now, you make sure go there, you test the waters first. How you go about it?
Well, we have to know each other for a while first now.
What is a while?
A while can be the least 2 months or a month. Because I always get so deep into a person within a month.
Within a month. You
A
can't
month.
know every
background check everything.
Obviously, I lie. What do you mean backboard? It's not like you do some FBI thing, brother. Like, is it?
Big up my friends, call them, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So is him have to run the file for. But
Run the
alright.
file.
So alright. So you say after, cause you know girls love timeline and deadline and them thing. They know lifeline. We like to say still. Them girls have a biological clock where women know nothing about.
Yeah.
But so you said 2 months. After 2
man.
months, you think she
All
can
a
come
month.
round at the Christmas dinner?
Yeah, man, because I don't have to even bring her and say, oh, and say I'm a girlfriend. This can she's a friend, you know,
Mm.
or somebody who will.
Oh, so when it's alright, so hold on. So if you bring, so you ever bring a girl around your family and say your friend, but actually a girl?
Shh.
Hey, are the worst feeling that I don't know if any man ever do that to a woman yet, but if a woman ever do that to me, brother. Hey,
But Shelz,
yeah,
I can tell you something.
go on through.
One time, one girl bring me to her parents.
Yeah.
And say he's a friend.
And I don't never. How long do they link card there? Whatever.
Well, about 1-3 weeks, you know.
No, like shut
You
up.
know.
A big slumber party thing. Hey, fry. Yeah,
And if you
J-Wave.
know what go and behind the scene.
Yeah.
J-Wave, same question for you, brother. How important is Christmas dinner to J-Wave?
Well, I mean, it is a very, very important thing to me. I mean, it's a family man, is it?
Straight.
So from a young and I grew up them thing there.
Yeah.
We know how the family come together and have dinner on a Christmas day. And every year to this
And
day.
most importantly, me know mom, me know mommy, me know your mother very,
Alright.
and she don't want no loose relationship or any link in the house. So me want to know how long you wait before you
Alright.
bring a girl to
Come
home
meet.
to Christmas
Alright,
dinner.
you are going.
Yeah.
It not really, and I say how long, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Like a 3 month or a 2 month or a 4 month. It depends on how long the person get comfortable with me or
Are you comfortable
make
with
me
them?
know say yeah comfortable with them
Mm-hmm.
coming in with my family.
Right.
You understand? Cause you know what kind of energy
Mm-hmm.
they might bring off. So sometimes you have to even test them.
Facts.
That's it.
So me have a trick question if you're J-Wave. As I said, maybe because it's too personal, because we know your family. We all know our mother them, you know. Romy, you probably can agree with this. Well, some people in our family have goat mouth. You know them way there, especially mothers are caregivers. You see me, enough caregivers have enough like a goat mouth vibe. So Romy, alright, J-Wave, may I ask you first.
Yeah.
Why if you bring home a girl? And as you said, the vibe right, everything good. But as soon as she step through the door, mommy said, nah work. Nah work. What you gonna do?
It depends. Because sometimes your mommy can rang, you know.
True.
You see it.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm say sometimes 10% cut 100. You see it.
Yeah.
You see it. But most times she correct. So you have to just get them together and just ask them what is what. And just,
That's why me say in a show earlier, you know, I say, yo, I better you test the waters before the Christmas dinner. Cause thing what people don't understand about Christmas dinner, you know, Christmas dinner make and break enough relationships still, you know, like relationship within your family or stranger. So if all my mothers see her energy from a girl me bring and she not like, that mean it gonna pass on to auntie, it gonna pass on to uncle, cousin, down to all the dog, them not gonna like, and it's just the whole thing just not gonna work. And then you just have to go firm within yourself and say, yo, boy, I love you, know. So Romy, may I ask you a question, same question to you. So if you bring home somebody to your family and your family does not rate her, but you know deep down you want to share the one,
Bad vibes.
what that mean?
I mean, mother can be right, you know, or the family, right?
Right.
But me as a man, as an adult, I have to just maybe take a back step and really look and see. I wonder why they really don't think it right for she be the person for me, or to even meet them.
Right.
You know? But at the end of the day, say, mommy, you are you. But just to play it safe, I want to just look deep. But again, I feel that way still.
Yeah.
Yeah, and earlier you mentioned say maybe it bring to the auntie, to the uncle, to the
A Christmas, you know?
and the old lady. But some parents bring it to the ex. If you say, the boy take up because some parents farm band with ex, you know.
Bam with the ex
I
them.
see,
So when you bring the next, them have a
Compare,
not my
vibe.
mother do.
Oh,
My mother know the thing go.
you know some parents do that still.
Hey, tell you, no, you know that. Big up yourself, mommy. Mommy over there dead with laughing. Nah, sir. Ex way. You're mad. No, alright, but hold on there now. So Joe Fry. My question to you. Why if those shoes on the other foot? Oh no, before I go to that, how important then it is then for your mother or your family like your girl? You know, when you're
Very important.
very like top of the list. So if it will it be a make or break situation if your mother do like the person where you choose?
Make or break? No, because I'm my own, you understand?
Right.
And my mother understand that. So any decision on me make at the end of the day, she knows I make it for me.
But you know, so it's a tricky situation that
Very.
J-Wave. Because watch you know, put the shoe on the other foot now. Because we have to think about how the girl feel. Because me go my girl house.
Oh.
I'm missy. Hold on there. Hold on, may I hear some story with engineer have some drama with Christmas dinner. I say girl popping upon him. Unannounced.
I don't know.
Oh, other girl did it? You did bring another girl and your girl. Whoa!
Whoa, bad
A
vibes.
current girl did it and him ex pop up. Trouble. Their Christmas the most nice. But hold on, so when me talk that situation, because that no sound safe. My situation, my question is, what if the shoe was on the other foot, J-Wave? And it's like
if
you go
to
the girl house now and the family just do accept it. That reached me already, you know, brother. I mean, I tell you something that did reach me, you know, I don't want to go back, you know. So what if that reach your girl and she say, oh, boom, you know, so I don't want to come back. How you get out of that situation there?
Wow.
How you mend that bridge there? How you build back that bridge?
How you cross the bridge?
Yeah, how you do that?
Yo, if she love me, she just love me same way as
Yeah, you know, some feeling the young people just love fling, love. Like say it's just
No,
a definite.
love.
Love.
Appreciate whatever you call it, you see.
Well, you know, for me still, I feel like that would just be the ultimate test still. Like to see if she's strong in the relationship still. What do you think?
Alright.
What do you think, Rumi? If you did go in a scenario where your girl introduce her, let's say father. Okay, you know girl and them father stereotypically very close. And the father just
I woke up on a Babylon one time, you know.
What you say? Her father was a police.
Yes, brother.
Ja.
You have to stand at attention.
Why?
Oh.
Why? What that? But me get
But you know, in a real life,
yeah.
I have to behave myself and
it end up like you are. It end up
yeah,
radio.
man.
Yeah, because I feel like most time it just come down to just a little respect. But Romy, how you that deal with that
You know me
situation?
unruly when I'm ready.
Facts.
To be honest,
Yeah, Romy.
more than feel away, you know.
Yeah.
Just like a spice, I feel away.
Yeah.
Me wouldn't feel one way when I'm part, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But for me though, it will come to a question.
What the question?
Is it that me I did the family or me I did she?
Oh,
You know what I
Romy
mean?
with the philosophy.
So me see sometimes it work
Mm-hmm.
and sometimes it just don't work. But for me though, me I pressed lone gas man.
Don't care what nobody in your family
Nobody
say.
wants to see me general.
Alright.
Because what me can see, no, what I may see now,
Mm-hmm.
nobody else do.
Right.
How we spend time together, plans and so forth. Because suppose it's a case where we have been dating for 2 years
Mm-hmm.
before she bring me to appearance. So gosh man, think about that bond, that cohesion, that cohes happening there.
Cohesiveness. You're the man. Alright, I get that. And I ladies, me don't now listen to the gentlemen and I say, no man, good man, there road same way. But I feel like them just a pretty up word still. Cause I feel like say yo, if pressure reach in a certain way, be real with it, gents. Be real with it. We're not businessmen and not doing anything, out there work. We don't have time really. Cause alright, well for me personally, I feel like if family and family, see?
Yeah.
So I don't feel like it's so serious. Because there are cases where family disown people because of who them choose for love, you know.
Oh.
So you know would that risk of situation where your family would have cut you off for love. Romeo, what you say?
Like the Prince.
Which prince? Oh, the royal family
Royal
thing.
family,
Yeah, good. Harry. Harry.
Prince Harry.
Yeah, the man left.
Oh, yeah.
But
I mean-
look at Prince Harry's choice.
She hot man.
He chose the wife over the family.
Me don't know about that.
So come to my
Hey, let me tell you this.
statement
It
earlier.
don't make sense to use Prince Harry as an example. Because Prince Harry is smarter than the whole of we. If the Prince Harry I walk left royal fam without the royal treasure. You understand what I mean? Say, him know him do. Him just talk about him go to US go live normal life. Normal life where? You understand me?
Shelz, let me ask a question. Me now go out a bunch, right?
Ask your thing.
Alright. What if I impregnate that girl?
Right.
So she's kind of child for me. And that's the moment when she wants to say, Mommy and Daddy, this is Romy.
Oh no. She waits so
My
long.
dear father to be.
I mean, they father to be.
And the father frowns on that.
Of course,
Should I walk? Should I stay?
Of course, the man not go cuss. Me the cuss.
Sir, should I walk? Should I stay? As a virgin to a virgin, tell me what we should do.
Alright, so if you get the girl pregnant.
Yes, sir.
And that's when you meet the family.
The first time, yes.
Jeez, and then the father upset.
Yes.
Family begs.
I said, no, not him. What should I do?
Well, that's the point. That's the point now where you just start mids for the youth. You understand what I'm
saying? Issue, you know.
No man, you have to, cause at the end of the day, you know, every man out there, Bridge Nation man here, I feel like every man out there will always respect a man who stand by him youth. You understand what I'm saying? No matter any difference out there. So the father can hate it from now till the morning. If the youth turn out to be yours, and you say, yo, man, this is what your father say, your uncle say. Yeah, the big if. You know, the DNA test, we hope they make that thing there. You know it go. We talked about it already. But yeah, if them go sub and you choose to stand beside or stand by your child, you understand me? Then you don't know if I rate that. I go rate you. Even if it take years. Because once a baby the born and looking at the eyes and then him see, especially our mother see the baby in your hand, oh gosh, man. I hear that story enough time. But Bridge Nation, we're so far, you know. Tonight we're reasoning about relationships, stages of relationships, and when is it the right time to bring your partner to meet your family, especially around the Christmas time, the Christmas dinner vibration. Joe Fry, I know say I go, let me say it correctly. J-Wave, I know say I go back to the studio. So, hope you can stay up on the line. But if not, brother, I don't know, so I appreciate the strength, you see me? But enough love and respect.
Thanks, man.
But Bridge family, Bridge Nation, we're so far. This is the streets according to your boy Shelz. So far. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, I don't know, so from here, the baddest instrumental pan radio, you know, so this is one of the baddest show them pan radio. Now, I modestly say one off because the rest of the bad show them, step on the Bridge 99 FM. Tonight, we're talking about the different stages in relationships and how long should you wait to bring your partner to meet your family, especially around Christmas time. How long you wait for bring them to the Christmas dinner and make mommy and daddy and uncle and auntie and make them eat up all of your food. Can you trust that, people? Can you trust it? In studio with me is my brother, big talent, Romy and Simpson, but we call him Romy. Yeah, dude, brother. Welcome back again. I don't know if J-Wave still up on the line. Oh, I'm gone back to the studio. J-Wave, enough love and respect, brother. We link up, you don't know the thing go. But Romy, yes, sir. You brought up an interesting point. Wait, before me say that, nobody not call for collect the prize. I'm very hurt. People, if you're just joining us, please remember that Bridge Nation believes that this is the season, or I believe too, when I stop being a Grinch. Bridge Nation believe that this is the season of joy and gift giving. And this Christmas, we'll spread Christmas cheer with you, the listeners and viewers of Bridge 99 FM, with our gift a day giveaway. Yes, every day they might give away a gift. You can believe that, and they choose my show for help do that. And tonight's gift is a giveaway brought to you by high-low food stores. I'm telling you the monologue, you know. When you hear a giveaway from supermarket in the door, shy from it, especially around this time. When you stop going when you know want the things them. And remember, high-low food stores believes that they will be making life easier. So here's your chance to win. Here's the question again. Question kind of hard still in a row, me. But when you can Google it, just be like Abby and Google everything. What is the name of the Christmas flower? Not the flower when you use cook. Flower grow in a garden. What is the name of the Christmas flower? Call me. The show is soon done. At 9 o'clock we're done. Call me for your chance to win. The number is 876-676-4996. That's 876-676-4996. This is the Bridge 99 FM's Christmas giveaway. Call now. But anyways,
we can try.
No, Romy. You don't know them don't tell that, cause without try win. But them say we can't win nothing, brother. It rough as employees. But you know, we're not frowns. But yes, Romy, we touch on a very important point that you brought up.
In the break, right?
You say, before the break, you say, yo, what if the family don't accept you, especially if a youth is in the picture?
Yes, sir.
And I said, I don't know if you agree with me. I said that once you stand by the youth, the respect will come over time. But during the break, you tell me, say you have situations where
can
no
I
matter
say
what. Go on through. Say what you want to say.
All right, so I won't call him again.
No, if you want to call
So I know of a family who's wealthy.
A wealthy family. Upper class.
Yes.
Upper.
Very upper class.
Hopper. Put the H in front.
Yes, sir. Upper class.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And their daughter dated a ghetto youth.
Right.
and you get her pregnant, and that's the reason why I bring up that part saying that what if a guy get her pregnant, right?
Yeah.
When they get the youth get a uptight family that pregnant,
Right.
and the daughter bring the youth to the father.
Mm-hmm.
The father say he's not our class. This can't happen. I know what was his solution.
What?
The father had to walk, and the grandfather take full
Which
responsibility.
The rich
of-
people grandfather?
Yes, sir.
Oh, the rich grandfather.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh.
They took full responsibility.
So them
and
do
they abandoned
everything for get rid of the blood father.
blood father, yes.
Because him not have stature
Status.
or whatever. All right, now
Or in the upper class.
in the hopper.
No.
All right, well, now I cut you around, but this is very important. You can't believe say this happening for a second time. Somebody's actually on the line to try and win the prize tonight. Caller, are you there? What's your name and where you're calling from?
I'm calling from St. Anne.
Saint Anne. You know, some more go there for New Year's, but I can't find an Airbnb. What's your name?
Primrose.
Say that again.
Primrose.
Timraj?
Primrose.
Primrose.
Primraj.
Rose. Rose.
Primrose.
Primrose.
Primrose. ROSE.
Oh, Primrose. Royce?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, nice to meet you. Saint Anne.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes, my name is Shelz and welcome to the streets according to me. Your boy Shelz. I'm very honored. I like when ladies call and all that. Saint Anne too. It's a vibe. Now you're ready. You're ready for the try. You ready for the question again? So the question. Remember, this will come to you from high-low food stores. So you're a supermarket thing. So ready for the question again. Feel like I've danced already. You're excited. But anyways, here's the question again. What is the name of the Christmas flower?
Poinsettia.
Hey. Congrats.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Congrats. She get it right. Cause me never know if you pronounce it neither. She get it close. It was very close. Abby, stop fighting her.
Shelz.
Yeah.
You hear me there someone try to answer?
No, me know you have
I
fight.
never
You see
know
the
it.
hand. My lovely friend from St. Anne. I want to get your name right because I feel like me and I going to be friends forever, Primrose?
Primrose.
Primrose. Okay.
Yeah.
Congratulations. You have won the gift of day giveaway courtesy of High-Low Food Stores where they say they will be making life easy, and I hope they make your life easier over the holidays. So just stay tuned, so stay on the line and the producer will just make you know how you can collect your prize, alright? Thanks for calling.
All right.
Really
Okay,
appreciate
thank
it.
you.
Yeah man, enough love.
I'm done.
Bridge Nation, I want you to understand the Bridge 99 wants to highlight as well all the bridge builders who have partnered with us for the Christmas gift a day giveaway. Romy, you know something, I forget this out of here because I don't know, say.
Send it.
Bridge builders, we love them.
Love
so
them.
yes, so let's give a Bridge Nation, we're going to give a shout out to Scott Calorie Absorbed Paper Towel, Sunshine Snacks. Every time I see this, I can't believe because Richie B never offered me nothing yet.
Sir.
But I got to talk to him about it. Richie B Liquor Center, DFL Importers, Wisinko Group Limited, Bashko. Okay, that's the only way you can say Bashko, Bashko. Texaco Gift Certificate, Select Sampars Gift Certificate, Tad Records, High-Low Food Stores, Simply Water, big up yourself, Simply Water, and CariMed Group Limited. Big up on yourself, and congrats to my lovely friend from St. Anne, Primrose.
Primrose.
I like that name there. Like the liquor. Whenever I read
Can
it.
guess them color Primi.
Primi.
Prim.
Prim. Oh yeah. Back to the reasoning room. So you said, you have cases where the family if a family come from a certain status,
Yeah.
them just use them power and them influence to just get the father out of the picture.
Yes.
So, but if that was you, Romy, you'd just accept that and just walk out of the you life?
Court case. Lawsuit. Get my lawyer. Come on, lawyer.
You have to be a part of the youth.
Office stand by my office stand by my youth.
So is it about standing by the youth or the mother as well? Because suppose you love the mother. Most love them,
Well,
nowadays society not for them just have youth like that, but
them both,
yeah.
But my youth is a priority.
You have to make sure say there.
Yes, and for me, in a youth life, me not fear life too. That's the bond, the cohesion.
Yo, if any family out there right now over the holidays, I don't want to get in a people business, but if you say you're not too like the selection of your niece or your daughter or your son, and you don't feel be so hostile about it all the time. You understand what I mean? So you can just be cordial. You know what I mean? You can get to understand why your son or daughter, your niece or your nephew, your cousin chose this individual. Try to get it from their perspective. Nobody does say, because him not look how you expect him to look, or she not sound or you expect her for sound,
Yeah.
means that they're not contributing to the happiness of this person that you love. You understand what I mean? So Bridge Nation. And a holiday season, man. I think the holidays, Uncle Romy, Bridge Nation, I'm going to call him Uncle Romy around the office. Romy, I feel like around the holiday season, it's all about forgiveness and not casting judgment.
Yes.
You understand what I mean? So, 'cause if you follow up the religious aspect of it, Romy, I know you're very spiritual youth.
Yeah.
The story, the nativity story, enough trial and tribulation Joseph and Mary got you. Enough people that judge them because of how them did look and upon them travels and them not shut them out. Why would you want to do that to somebody who care about somebody you love? That's what
Yes.
me say.
Yes.
But Romy, not sure a difficult question for you now.
Watching our Bridge Nation. Run it.
Alright, you have siblings? You don't have siblings.
Yes, sir.
You have a what?
I have some lovely siblings.
How many?
I have 3 sisters and have 3 brothers.
Alright,
And I have an ex-sister which I'm not sure about.
Alright.
Yeah, for real. I don't lie.
Alright. We'll call Maury, if anything. No,
Or
Romy.
Susan.
Alright. But yeah, Romy, so my question is, your sisters, and you're older than any of them, or you're older than you, all them older than you?
Well, 2 of them older than me and I'm more than 1.
Alright, well,
Yeah.
it no matter. Let's say your sister carry on my youth. And you know deep
Hold
within
on. Like she pregnant youth?
No, she just say, Christmas dinner,
Yeah.
your sister come home, you never meet this youth yet.
Our man.
Come, our man, yeah.
Alright.
Them come in hand.
Yeah.
But you, him not fit the bill. What you expect for your sister? Oh, you tackle that.
First thing when me is humbly youth, when I hype, when I
Right.
brag na boss, you know what I mean? And me is a get to youth. So,
Mm-hmm.
me never see that.
Lie, I tell Romy. Romy lie.
Believe it.
Yo,
You know why, sir?
You
You
know
know why?
you see him lie.
Before me bash and judge,
Mm-hmm.
murder give a person a chance still. Let me see where you can bring the table. Who are you?
Mm-hmm.
Prove yourself wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But me, if you judge a youth, no.
Mm-hmm.
Me not do it.
You know how to do it.
Me can't do it.
You just trust your sister's decision.
Yes.
100%.
Yes. And guess what now? Who gonna benefit from this? Not me, not she, you know. I feel happiness, I feel comfort, I feel
But as our brother Romy, suppose,
Yeah.
alright, hypothetical situation again. Let's say during the Christmas dinner, you see the same youth. You him gain your trust. Or him not gain your trust, but you trust your sister's judgment.
Yeah.
And somewhere around the yard, you see him a flirt with one of your cousin them. You still a go trust your...
Sir,
You still a go... Oh, you a go tackle
chicken bone, how can I bone I get, man? Everything I get.
Yeah.
Pot, phone, fork and
that.
knife.
So once you get that proof, say him not right for your sister. So, I'm going to get what you say. So,
That's to go.
yeah, so I'm going to get what
First
you
bus
say.
come take it and go.
I like that. So what you say is, I'm going to clear it up for Bridge Nation. Bridge Nation or Romy and say, no,
She's
he's not going to
totally
judge a book by its cover.
No.
But if you see something for proof, say him definitely not right for your sister
Gots to
or your
go.
family. But what if your sister say, me not believe you, Romy, I lied a long time, you fight me out, I fight out my
Sir.
happiness. What you going to do?
Do you see the job I do?
What that? Oh, the job you do? You say you have an eye for them thing, for these
Everything,
things.
the picking details.
No, brother.
But
yeah,
to be honest though,
yeah.
me can only say to her now and try to find whatever evidence I can find. But if she make up her mind just now left, all the best.
You have to just stand by your decision.
Stand by her decision. But guess what? Do not run to me.
Can't do that, Romy. That no fear. Cause what you know. I think, and that's like,
If not, you go feel and that may go by.
so that's what. So that's the thing. As family, they know Romy. You have to say, when she feel, you have to be the fear. You have that's how
Says,
you can't just because she did go against what you believe. You can't just avoid her or
bro,
cut her off.
you said earlier, I'm going to try to find the evidence.
And if you, that's what I'm saying. And you found the evidence,
Yeah.
but you still choose to stick by him. So what you are saying is that good luck with her, good luck to her. But when everything hit the fan, you're not dead of fear. That's what I say. That no fear, cause what if a family where you get introduced to treat you the same way and the girl and whatever you hear say the girl I got you with that, our family cut her off now.
Shelz.
Abby say she a big woman, she will
Shelz.
accept her own responsibility. But
Exactly.
family should, especially around these times, enough people out there depressed and
Shelz.
sad because them now
My sister them a
them
big
family
one
for
for me,
follow
you
upon.
know.
Eh?
Yeah. My sister them older than by far, you know, brother. And if me as a younger one can warn you, give you proof, give you evidence, I know here you go feel me, G.
I don't think that
In
fear in
the
a Bridge
long run,
Nation.
me are going up there for them now, but
Abby, that
the-
they can't fear Abby.
first, all I can say is, if they warn you, I'm going to tell you, see, yo,
Abby, I get cross over there.
boy,
No, man. You know why I'm not think it fear. Like, I can say, I agree with you, you know. I agree with the facts that, yeah, If you want your family member say, yo, this person not good for you, then prove them not good, but your family member choose to stay with them, sure, accept the consequences. But I don't believe in a saying good riddance. That no fear.
Sir, in a long run, it didn't, you know.
But that Romeo said,
at
Romeo
first,
said, yeah.
I feel hurt and feel like, yo, you overlook me when after I show you proof, brother. I feel broken myself too, so I can't do the feel.
That can't last long because of family. That's what I mean. Family, you know.
Again,
relationships come and go, but family will be something more eternal.
Him hurt my sister.
Right.
The fact that I saw what's coming.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever him end up discharged hurt, I feel hurt in the moment. So there's
in the moment.
I try recover myself too.
Yeah, I'm not say you can't feel it too on behalf of your sister.
I go do the fear really at first, but you know over time something done there.
Well, Bridge Nation, you can make me know how to feel about this, you know. Cause I not believe, you know, because I know for them little thing that go on around Christmas time in the room. And you know, say Christmas time, even though it's a time for togetherness with family, I have enough little family drama come out of them little thing. Because yeah, family member wanna talk and them see each other and give each other bad eye and you know like who the person bring over to dinner. But listen,
Shelz, I'm telling you the biggest one.
Go on, you.
You know when you pass out the little food there. And everybody are cut and see the person with 3 boxes of food.
The person who not part of your family gone without 3 boxes of food. Oh gosh, man. I hate it. I don't like it myself. I don't.
Bro,
but you don't know. Them said it's the season for giving. You see me? And forgiving, Romy. And I feel like you would have want that forgiveness there. If me know say you, if your family, if your sister never like a girl, you there with, and she said good riddance to you, and after the girl left you, you go back to your sister, she still not. You got hurt. You got want your sister accept you.
They like earthquake.
No, answer your question. I lie.
To be
After
honest,
you learn your lesson.
But Shelz, we're all human, Shelz.
Exactly.
And then the idea, me I go take read to the streets. Me I go want that, yes. Honestly.
Right.
You want that. So
Right.
life just so unfair, man. But you know.
People,
just like that.
Romeo put on a face. Romeo, I love a boy first and foremost. When I go in the studio.
Mr. Lover.
When I say, whoever see him on the live stream, you see me now go and like him a fall on like him. I call him cool. You understand me? I call him cool. I want to make him chicken. I call him cool.
I'm going to agree with that.
But Bridge Nation, this has been another fantastic show of the streets according to me, your boy Shelz. Tonight we're reasoning about stages of relationships. You know, how long you should wait before you introduce your partner to your family, especially around the Christmas time. Should you wait a certain amount of time before you bring them to the Christmas dinner? Romy say, at any time you feel is right if you bring them to the family and just trust the energy. But him also feel like if him sister brings somebody, him not like him, I go cut her off. So Romy's a wife.
Hold on. No,
Romy's
that's a lie. Shelz, I said,
yeah.
if she bring somebody come,
Right.
and I see the person, and you have
Yeah,
to
the
say
proof.
what if the person has flirt with a family member, a cousin or
Right.
son.
All right. Yeah, the proof say
I'm
no
gonna
good
say
for
if you
her.
see him flirt with a family member,
Mm-hmm.
apart from my sister whom I date,
Right.
I'm gonna say it to her.
Right.
I'm sure her proof.
Proof.
And she still a play harden.
Amen.
Me I go my knee and say, sister, look for me good. Hey, brother, talk to you. And get that like a poorly face something there.
The cool
You know?
face I have no.
No. Yeah, and then no, she just overlook it and just get my thing. She
We get what you say, Romy.
She have ask her not at her brother.
I get what you say, Romy. But
Come
Bridge
on.
Nation, you know, so you can join the conversation, you know. You don't know, just hashtag Shelz Street on all social media platforms where the Bridge 99 FM is concerned. And also you can find me on everything_show. You can let me know how you feel about this. You understand me? You agree with Romy? Or you agree with me? Let me know. But tonight has been a fantastic night. This has been the streets according to me, your boy Shelz. Romy, you want the final word?
More for just drop my grammar you know. Follow
Drop
me
it.
at _Romy. ROMII.
Ladies, him not care to Christmas dinner still, but you can follow him if you want. This has been the streets according to me, your boy Shelz. I'll see you guys next week. Bless up. Have a good holidays. Bless
Merry
up. Stay
Christmas.
safe. Out there.